Good morning, everyone. As we already started the cell building blocks of life, and in that lesson, we learned about the many organelles, and today some remaining organelles are there. So, today we are going to discuss about that organelles. So, the first is vacuole. So we are going to discuss about the vacuole and the function of the vacuole. Before that, I am giving one example to you all. At your home, we can see that dustbins are present. Okay, so the working of the dustbin which is at your home is to collect all the garbage. It means that by using the dustbin we can dispose our we can dispose the garbage which is present inside our home, and we can throw it outside. So because of that only the waste can be managed. So in case of the cell, have you think about that, how the cells are disposing their waste which is present inside the cell. So the vacuole is work just like as a dustbin in case of the cell. In the blue color it is present in the cell. You can see that it is already shown. So it is look like as an empty box, but liquid is present inside that. So the function of vacuole is to collect all the garbage which is present inside the cell. So the vacuole is a sac surrounded by a membrane. It is a sac surrounded membrane. A cell uses the vacuole for storing various substances such as food, enzymes and waste for a short period of time. So that waste is stored over there for a short period of time. Vacuoles of animal cells are much smaller in comparison to those in a plant cells. Okay, the vacuoles which is present in the animal cells, they are more vacuoles are present, but they are smaller in size. In case of the plant cell, the size is larger, and less vacuoles are present in the plant cells. Okay, now next, like in an onion cell, a plant cell may show a single large vacuole called a centralized vacuole. In case of the onion, one large vacuole is present, that is known as the centralized vacuole. Vacuoles occupied between 30% to 90% of the total volume of the cell. If सेल का जितना भी वॉल्यूम होगा, सेल का जितना भी एरिया है उसमें से 30% to 90% of the volume is covered by the vacuole only. The centralized vacuole present in the plant cell performs various functions. However, the main function is storage and maintaining the structure of the cell. In the plant cell, the main function of the centralized vacuole is to store the food and maintain the structure of the cell. So this is the main function of the vacuole. Once again you just see that bluish color empty vacuole means that the empty box, and the function is to store the food and the waste material for temporary period. Now next apparatus we are going to discuss, that is a Golgi bodies. So the Golgi bodies are generally found located near the nucleus. The component which is the organelle which is present near to the nucleus, that is known as the Golgi bodies. They modify the proteins made by the ribosomes and help in transporting them to various organelles and plasma membrane. The main function of this Golgi apparatus to transfer the protein which is made by the ribosomes. Ribosomes are making the protein, and their working is to make the only protein, but we need to transfer this protein from the ribosomes to another part of the organelles. So the proteins made by the ribosomes is going to transfer in various organelles and the plasma membrane by using the Golgi apparatus. So this is the very important function of the Golgi bodies. Okay, and the Golgi bodies are generally found located near to the nucleus. They are generally located near to the nucleus, and the main function is to transport the protein which is made by the ribosomes, and they are transferring this protein in the various organelles and the plasma membrane. So the next organelle we are going to discuss about that is a endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, so the endoplasmic reticulum, you can see that in a previous some years, you just think about your city. जैसे कि कुछ कुछ साल पहले, जैसे हम सिटी के बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे, तो अगर रोड अवेलेबल नहीं होते हैं तो ट्रांसपोर्टेशन में बहुत ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम आता है. इट मीन्स दैट नेटवर्क इज नॉट दैट मच स्ट्रांग. सो in case of the cell also, the endoplasmic reticulum is work just like as a network, just like as a road. Due to the endoplasmic reticulum, all the organelles are connected with each other, that it is a major part of the cell. It is a behave just like as a network of the cell. The endoplasmic reticulum is a network of the membranous tubes that connect the cell membrane with the nuclear membrane. Okay, due to this, the cell membrane is connected with the nuclear membrane. The endoplasmic reticulum helps to transport substances in and out of the cell. Due to the endoplasmic reticulum, we can transport the substances in and out of the cell. If you want to take something inside, reticulums are these endoplasmic reticulum help in that. Again, if you want to transfer something outside, so that time endoplasmic reticulum help in that, because the endoplasmic reticulum help just like as a road. Okay, if roads are not there, so that time we are facing the many problems in the transportation. Same way, in case of the cell, they are viewed just like as a network. They are often found associated with ribosomes. Okay, so this is the function of the endoplasmic. Now the next part we are going to see, that is the centrioles and the centrosomes. So the function of the centrioles and centrosomes are, they are present only in animal cell. Okay, this type of structure is present only in animal cells. They play an important role in the division of the cell. So here you can see the structure of the centrioles. They are perpendicular to each other. It means that they are making a 90-degree angle with each other. And the main role of the centrioles and the centrosomes is to division of the cell. They can divide the cell. This is the main function of the centrioles and the centrosomes. Now the last function and the last part of the lesson we are going to discuss about that. That is the lysosomes. Lysosomes, the last part of the lesson we are going to discuss. So the lysosomes are very important and also known as the they are also known as the bags. Lysosomes contain substances that help in a digestion of foreign bodies and worn out cell parts. Okay, lysosomes can be worn out the cell parts. It means that whenever we are getting tired, so that time to recover that part, to give the energy back to the organelles, it helps the lysosomes. Okay, hence when necessary they can digest the entire content of the cell. They can digest the entire content of the cell. In this process, the lysosomes also get destroyed. Okay, sometimes if required, the lysosomes digest all the content which is inside the cell, and because of that only this organelle can be get destroyed. Okay, here again we can see that one largest special type of vesicle form of the Golgi is a lysosome. Lysosome contain hydraulic enzymes that break things down. Okay, it can break the things down. Lys means break and or the dissolve, and some means body structure. It can dissolve the body structure. Okay, this is the function of the lysosomes. So I hope लेसन से रिलेटेड जितने भी कंसेप्ट्स है वो कंसेप्ट्स आपके क्लियर हो गए हैं. और किसी को कुछ डाउट है, सो दे कैन आस्क मी एंड सेंड मी योर असाइनमेंट टुडे इटसेल्फ. फॉर टुडे, थैंक यू वेरी मच.